Hello friends, bonjour, welcome to your YouTube channel French Minds. On this channel, I keep uploading everyday French lessons for French language learners. So, let's begin. So, today we are going to continue with our number series 181 to 185. So, let's start. 181 is pronounced in French as 181. 181. Pay attention carefully how this number has been formed. 100 means 100, 4 means 4, 20 means 20, 1 means 1. 100 plus 4 times 20 plus 1 is equal to 181. 181. 182 is pronounced in French as 182. 182. 183 is pronounced in French as 183. 183. 184 is pronounced in French as 184. 184. And finally, 185 is pronounced in French as 185. 185. So let's revise these numbers one more time. 181, 181. 182, 182. 183, 183. 184, 184. And 185, 185. So to learn daily French expressions and new French vocabulary, you can watch shorts video of this channel. I will put the link in description. So keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Au revoir.